Patio cover is done right. What does that mean? We're not a kit company. We're a custom architectural extrusion plant, and we extrude pergola components for your sizes, for your backyard, customly made. Not a post in the middle of nowhere. If you want to go on the roof, you're able to go on the roof. If you want to go on a second roof, you're going on a second roof. If your spans are requirements, a certain span, we're able to extrude it for your certain span. If your designer wants a different color, we will do a different color. We extrude raw, and we're capable of doing a 7-stage architectural powder coating for our beams. Check our video where we explain what is 7-stage architectural powder coating versus traditional powder coating. Very important detail to go and look into. Patio covers, this is an insulated roof panel with lights and a fan. You can put multiple lights, you can put LED strips, and much more. A couple colors of white, there's a couple colors of wood. This patio is going to give you that waterproof, the sunproof that you're looking for your backyard. There's stuff to look into that. If you have windows like this creates a shadier, a more shade area. So you got to be expectant for that. That's why we have 2 more patios to offer. We have a lattice roof with laser cut or slats, and we have a patio that is smart, open and close with automatic motors, and you can do it with a remote or an app and a smart sense. So that's an ideal patio that you're able to open and close. For instance, a site like this, where you want to have the shade a certain time of the day, and you want to have the open view to have that sun come in at certain times of the day. And when it's raining, you're able to close it. On this application, it's a solid roof. That's what our customer requirements for, and it looks fantastic. It's a wood look. It'll never rust. We have 7-stage architectural powder coating, so you know you're getting the maximum durability on your powder coating finish. If you want to do custom color, you're able to do custom color. So when you're shopping for your patio, you need to know you're buying a custom patio for that fits your backyard, your requirements, and not a kit. Kits is nice if you want to do a DIY or you want to save a buck or two. If you want finishes like this, you're gonna have to go with a custom patio cover. And if we get it from factory direct as Globus, now you're knowing you're getting the maximum out of your pocket for what you're getting. So here you got the wood look without the rusting for the aluminum and without the rotting for the wood. You got best of 2 worlds for the look. Wood looking, with the black trim, modern, clean, with no rusting, with no rotting. That's the way you want it to have on your back patio. And combining that with the custom sizes, custom colors, not much limits to go with here. We're capable of taking almost any project needed. And factory direct. Visit our showroom, see all 3 options of patios in our factory and choose what works best for your yard. Check our extrusion plan videos that we show you how we extrude the aluminum. We can extrude the aluminum for the certain sizes you need. Go and check our powder coating video where we show you our 110 linear feet powder coating oven with a 7-stage architectural. So Globus Gate is going to give you that best price point for the best quality point, because when you put this up, you want it to be for a very long time. Globus Gate's going to get you those results without breaking the bank, and you know you're going factory direct. So shopping your next patio with Globus Gates and combine some aluminum gates with it and some fences and maybe a cladding, we cover it all. Aluminum systems from the best.